What if you could get the comfort of a motorcycle, the convenience of a scooter, and the fuel efficiency you need for daily commuting, all in one package? The Suzuki Burgman 150 is built for riders who want more than just basic transportation. It offers premium styling, practical features, and a comfortable riding experience that stands out from the crowd. Premium design. The Suzuki Burgman 150 immediately grabs attention with its modern and sophisticated design. Unlike many traditional scooters, it has a larger body, a wide front apron, and a stylish appearance that gives it a premium road presence. Its sleek LED lighting and aerodynamic shape make it look more expensive than many scooters in its class. Performance and comfort. Powering the Burgman 150 is a smooth and fuel-efficient 150cc engine designed for both city streets and longer rides. Acceleration feels responsive, while the refined engine delivers a relaxed riding experience. The scooter's comfortable seat, spacious footboard, and upright riding position help reduce fatigue, making daily commuting much more enjoyable. Features and practicality. One of the biggest strengths of the Burgman 150 is its practicality. The large under-seat storage provides enough room for everyday items, while modern features such as a digital instrument panel and convenient storage compartments add extra value. Its excellent fuel economy also helps riders save money over time. Final thoughts. The Suzuki Burgman 150 is an excellent choice for riders looking for comfort, style, and practicality in one package. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend ride, this scooter delivers a balanced and enjoyable experience. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Specifications, features, and availability may vary depending on the country and model year. Always check with your local Suzuki dealer for the most accurate and up-to-date information before making a purchase decision.